Good morning. Welcome back to Shady Lane Acres. I'm Jason.
I'm Mikki.
We are getting ready to butcher chickens today.
Harvest chickens.
No, it's butchering them. We bought 10 meat birds, I don't remember how long ago. And we lost one last night. He did not get all the way in, and the automatic door came down right on his neck.
This is the second one that happened to. The first one, it had its wing and its upper body underneath of it, and I think we caught it in time because we were coming out to get him in the coop and saved that one. But this one, there was no saving. It was just the head in the door.
So we are gathering our equipment to get ready.
It's noisy here.
Yeah. This is a catch-all right now. Just like we've been living here for 3 years, and we moved in a hurry.
3 years, a week ago.
Yes, yeah. And we still haven't figured out places to put some stuff. Those are all my old Alice Chalmers. My grandpa used to be an Alice Chalmers dealer, so every single one that comes up for sale, my dad thinks we need, or that somebody's giving away. So I have 6 of them in various states of disrepair. So we're just getting our super handy chicken plucker. It does need a better handle. It rolls this. If you watched our first video with this, it didn't exactly go great. We're hoping it'll do a little better this time.
We also had to make a run into town to get the cooler, the pans, the ice, and all that fun stuff that you have to add all of your extra expenses into. There's probably our first victim. She's been standing over here with us. As you can tell, it's getting harder and harder for them to walk. They don't walk too fast, too far. Just kind of waddle. And then when they get tired, they just plunk it down. There's one of the roosters, and then there's another lady. There's a couple of them back there as well, coming. But yeah, 9 of them. I can get you a longer extension cord too if you need it.
Oh, where's our big cookie?
Yeah, we gotta go in the house and get that. My gut bucket.
So we're all set up with our chicken processing station, I guess. Here's our table for
Dispatching.
cleaning. We just use a turkey fryer for scalding. It really kind of sucks for that. It's just hard to hold the temperature. I think I'm going to go ahead and bite the bullet and spend several $100s on a actual scalder.
Yeah.
We want to do this probably want to do 10 a month-ish or so.
Yeah.
Birds, or 20 every 2 months or
yeah.
something. I don't know. We're building up. First time we did 3. It was supposed to be 5, but 2 didn't make it. This time
it was supposed to be 10.
10.
1 didn't make it.
1 didn't make it.
So we're getting better.
Yeah. So we've already dispatched a couple birds. We're going to just do a couple at a time, see how it goes. A couple things we're going to do a little different this time. Is last time we processed them all as whole birds. Mm-hmm. We don't really cook with whole birds that much.
No. When we had the littler tabletop oven, we rotisserie a lot of them and stuff, but now these guys are too big and we don't have the rotisserie part in our oven anymore.
We would have liked to butcher these probably at least last week at the latest, or 2 weeks ago, but we were on vacation for a week, and so it hit right at the wrong time, because they're a little bigger than we'd like them to be, I think. We think it'd be a little easier if they were a little smaller.
We'll weigh them out and let you know how much they are at the end. Our last ones were 9 and 10 pounds.
They were almost 10 and 11.
Yeah.
They were like high 9.
These guys are big.
Yeah.
We have males in this one, which seem to be a lot bigger than the females.
Yeah, the males are way bigger.
Yeah.
And they were just ones we picked up at Tractor Supply. But so this time we're going to part them out instead of keeping them whole. So we may not even gut the ones that we part out. And we may not even pluck some of them, because we might try this skinless, because we use a lot of boneless, skinless chicken breasts. Just something we eat a lot.
Yep. Jason was watching YouTube, and one of the guys said that he just skins them and doesn't worry about plucking. And I'm like, heck yeah, we'll try that. So I'm up for anything.
Well, and the ducks that we do, our Muscovies, we just breast those out, because there's really no other meat besides the breasts. At least it's not worth getting for us. And we pluck a little bit just so I can find the breastbone. And then other than that, we don't even pluck them at all. So we're going to kind of try that with a couple of the chickens to see how it works out.
Yep. Then we'll save all the bones. We'll make bone broth out of that. So that's what the buckets on the table are for. I also want to try and save the gizzards and liver.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, because the liver I can give to the cats.
Oh, well, we can just give them the whole carcass.
Oh, that's true too.
So you can just throw the whole carcass.
Even those little cannibals come over and eat their buddies.
Oh yeah, that's what
anyone who says your chickens are only vegetarians, you're full of it. I've seen them down a mouse and a snake before.
So it's right at 11 o'clock. We'll see how long it takes us to do 9 birds this way.
Yep.
Just the 2 of us.
Just the 2 of us. That's what I'm saying. You have your side, my side.
Okay. Here's your chicken.
Well, you're dispatching that one, and then I'm going to learn from how you do it.
Yeah.
That one's staying whole.
Well,
are we not letting them bleed out enough?
I don't know. Well, we need killing. Well, we'll go ahead. I'm sure we'll have another one come out decent.
Okay.
So yeah, you just cut along that. Kind of pull the leg down while you're...
Mine's already cut.
They say a lot of times you watch the fat lines. The fat's like a road map.
Okay. Yeah, mine's already cut all the way back to the back.
Okay, so
I don't think we're letting them bleed out enough.
Well, might not be. They were there for 10 minutes.
Yeah, but not down.
Yeah, that's true. I might have to watch the YouTube video again. You want to watch it with me?
Can't I just read the book behind it?
Well, I thought the video was a lot more informative.
It says remove wings first.
That's not how she did it. I don't know. It's probably not a right or wrong way. So there, I got my drumstick and thigh. So you just cut down there, you know, till you just keep cutting down that till you kind of get the bone.
Okay. I didn't see what you were doing.
You know, I gotta cut my skin and then just kind of stay away from the breast and the backbone.
Okay.
So then when you get it fairly separated, you just bend it back. And it pops that, see, it just pops the bone out, the hip bone out. And just kind of cut along there until you get it all free.
has a bigger butt than you. Like, yours has a massive up here, and I don't have anything up there. Okay. I'm backwards. Okay.
Yeah, see, I cut like right along that hip there.
Okay.
So there's...
So do you go to the spine? No.
See, you're upside down. You need to flip it. Oh, okay. Yeah, see, you need to be cutting there.
I know, I cut the wrong side. Okay.
And I just bend this. Yeah, it's
Keep
kind of
cutting.
work. Yeah, it's kind of work that down in there.
I don't think this knife is sharp.
Is that the one I used just now?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, change the blade out
Okay.
real quick. And I just. Let's see, and then just kind of cut along there.
Okay.
And I came from the back side to. What'd you do with the blades over there? Kind of see where that bone's at there.
Mm-hmm.
Just kind of work along it.
This is where I want pictures.
So am I supposed to grab my phone with my bloody... See, yeah, and I come back through there. Try not to saw. Try and make
Well,
like...
then give me a better knife.
I can't remember how to do this. I cut my hand off trying to get this all slippery.
Yeah, it's going to need to be plucked first before we start doing anything because it's getting colder and they're getting
Oh,
stuck in there.
well, mine was already plucked. Well, that one's going to be pretty much skinned by the time we're done.
Yeah, that was way better.
Okay.
Okay, so any hair.
Well, you ain't going to have no skin left anyway.
You want me to just take the skin off?
You can.
But if we're
I
going to
mean,
fry
by the
it.
time, well, by the time we're all done,
Okay.
we'll figure out what we
So
got.
then now what do we do?
And just set off the side and get the other one.
Oh, I got two. I forgot about that.
Okay, flip him over. And then just cut that skin there. So yeah, yours is pretty much ready to pop.
How do you...
I grabbed the
Grab it.
wing and yep, see it popped right out there.
Bone marrow in there.
Yeah, well, and that's, yeah, try and go around the bone, not through it. Or beside it.
How? It's all connected.
I think I came from this side.
Watch your fingers. Jay!
Where did... There we go.
So it was a knuckle or something. I was trying to go through the other bone.
Yeah.
Okay. I see what you're
Okay,
saying.
so there's that.
Okay.
Let's
Can I get all the hair off that one?
Yeah. Now the wing, try to remember how to do that. See, I don't know. Did we? Yeah, it's like I only had that in there for a few seconds. Let's see. See, I kind of want to get the breasts off next.
Oh, get the breasts off.
Just, I don't know. But I think they just cut this ligament here. Because this is where you got to be careful not to get into your breastbone, get in the wing. Several hours ago. I just pulled the wing off.
So I'm going in between these two?
Yeah. And you just kind of twist it and pop it off.
Oh.
They said the fat lines are your road map.
Oh, that bone is How in the world did you pop a bone out? My gosh. I don't think I've got the right bone, or I'm not.
Yeah, our wings are pretty much. Let me see.
Is it supposed to be up here?
Let me see. Where you at?
Okay, I didn't go up far enough.
Yeah, so, yeah, see, just like around here,
Okay,
I think.
so I didn't go up far enough. I left a whole bunch of meat on there.
We sure put the butcher and. Maybe someday we'll be better at this.
Careful, that's my breastbone.
Oh,
Or
that's
my,
okay.
I
That's
want
what
that cut
that's
right
what I
there.
was looking for.
She's like, don't become my breast. Yeah, I cut the breast.
Come on. There we go.
Why don't you cut it?
Well, because it's all slippery. There we go. I don't know. That might be for the chickens.
No, that'll be for the stock pot, and then I'll pick off all the meat.
Okay. Now for the breasts, gotta find that middle part.
We probably need a bowl of water for our hands. Hang on. You know?
Mm-hmm.
I don't think you're falling into the boat.
It's tough to be a perfect top here.
Get down, dude.
Well, we gotta cut into the top a little bit.
These are going skinless, so it doesn't matter if I have skin on there or not.
Probably not. There's a chicken breast, I guess. They said something about the tenderloin too, but you want the meatings. We want to probably rinse it all out later.
Yep.
See, I think this is. I think this is the tenderloin.
What?
This is like what a chicken tender is made out of. I think I'm supposed to get it with the breast.
Oh shit, I cut into it.
It's tough. I don't know. At least for me. Yeah, see, here's what chicken tenders are made out of. Is that part?
Yep, there you go, third one.
That's the tenderloin.
Where'd you get that out of?
Yeah, I think it's actually attached to the breast. You're doing a much better job than I did. Yeah, I left a ton of meat on mine. I did a fairly terrible job.
I'm just pushing down against the bone as I'm cutting.
I know. I don't know what happened. Why?
I don't really care if mine's being sawed. It's for us.
Well, no, they just say it works better to make long, smooth cuts.
I'm sure it does. Look how fatty my chicken breast is.
Oh yeah, they're huge.
Ooh, that could have been bad.
Almost a trip to the emergency room.
Mm-hmm. Because I cut up. Look at that!
Oh, yeah, see now you gotta be kind of careful not to get into the innards, it looks like.
Yeah. Look at that. Look at that! That's amaze balls, Jay. Oh, and it's almost kind of cooked already.
Yeah. We gotta get the
Scalder.
I think it's just...
Oh, I see what you're saying. This was the chicken tenderloin right here, that between the fat and
yeah.
there.
Yeah, and you just... Yeah.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
Why you do it? What the heck did I do here?
Look at that. Okay, then leave these little fatties over there. Okay. Ooh, this other side ain't gonna be easy then.
Oh, you've only got one side done? Oh, I didn't know that.
I'm sorry. Would you like to see mine compared to yours?
I thought you had them both done. I wasn't saying anything.
Uh-huh. Sure sounded it, sassy pink.
Did you just cut yourself?
Nope.
Are you a liar?
Nope.
That's all. Okay.
Maybe I should probably wear gloves, like metal gloves.
Chainmail gloves?
Chain metal gloves when we do this. Look at that bread. Yeah, that's cooked it, Jay.
I know.
So can we even freeze these, or do we have
Yeah, last time they were like this too.
Okay.
That is a huge chicken breast, so. Say we cooked them last time, we think.
How do you get it to stay there and cut it this time?
I don't know. Just think, I want to try and butcher a cow ourselves.
Yeah, I totally see where the tenderloin is, and then the thing.
Yes, we could make breaded chicken tenders.
Mm-hmm.
Or the
Rennie gets her own chicken tenders.
So there we go. Oh, wait a minute. If you want to do the back strap, we do have to gut them. We'll gut the next ones. These will be for something else.
What do you mean if I want to use the back strap?
Like, if you want to cook,
Mm-hmm.
like to make chicken stock,
Mm-hmm.
well, we can't just throw the guts and stuff in there.
I know. Yeah, okay, that might be my blood. See, and then I go get the chicken tender.
So what's my water at? It's 150, so that's, I ain't touching it. I'm gonna go get a couple more chickens. What'd you get? Oh,
Yeah, we are, because look at all that meat we're wasting.
what do you mean?
Like, I could totally get that stock. You know what I mean?
know, we'll gut the next two.
Okay.
Do you remember how to gut them?
Yeah? What am I doing with this stuff?
Just throw it down and we'll feed it to the cats or the chickens, or are you gonna gut it?
Well, I want those livers and gizzards.
Oh.
I like chicken gizzards.
I just see them in the feed that chicken.
Caleb probably wants the chicken livers for fishing.
Well, they need to come help us.
He didn't know we were doing this. This is the bio sack, right?
I think so, yeah. Can you come help me? Oh. Get out of the way. Gordon Ramsay can do this in like 30 seconds blindfolded.
Not bad.
Well, probably not the butchering part, but like, yeah, he can part out a chicken like 30 seconds blindfolded.
There you go. Good for him.
Yep, takes us 30 minutes struggling busting it.
Hey, still my meat.
So where'd you cut the leg or the wing?
Wing. So, no, stop. No, put that down. Like I cut it like right here, because
Okay.
this is part of the wing.
Thank you. Oh, there I got the tenderloin out nice. Figure out a way to make chicken tendies.
Mm-hmm.
You get an air fryer because we have so much room in our kitchen for stuff. Oh, that breast come out pretty decent. Look at that one.
Yep. Why are you getting bad?
Yeah, they are. Okay, I don't even know where anything's at on this one anymore. Where'd you cut from?
For what?
To get the insides out.
I cut the bottom of the butthole and then everything else out.
So where'd you cut underneath here?
Yeah, so, no,
Oh,
bottom
good.
of
Yeah,
it.
I lost where it was at. I think I finally got the wing off halfway decent. Because, yeah, here's the drummy for like
Yep.
buffalo wings, and then here's the leg part.
Yep.
I guess. Make our own buffalo wings.
Yeah.
Wing night on Shady Lane Acres. Took us right till about 1 o'clock to get them all butchered. So 2 hours to do 9 birds.
Butchered and pieced out.
I did get a little better at the plucking towards the end, it seemed like.
We didn't rip any skin.
No, most of the feathers came out. A lot had to do with the lower temperature. That seems to help. Like I say, I'm going to be ordering a scalder because I think that's just a pain trying to use a turkey fryer. It's either too hot or too cold. Doesn't
Yeah.
seem to matter.
And also just not big enough to be able to get it all the way
Yeah.
around in there too.
Yeah, because a scalder you can put a couple in at a time too.
And next time when we go to do our turkeys, that definitely is not big enough.
No, it does not work at all for the turkeys.
No.
If you ever watch that video, it spilled water. They just don't fit.
They fit to fry, they don't fit to dunk.
So this is all of our meat. You see we kept 2 whole and parted the rest out. We might measure how much of everything we have and let you know what the weight is of everything. But that's 9 meat birds.
Now we just need to wash everything, separate it all out, and freeze dry it. Or not freeze dry.
Let it rest.
Are we going to vacuum seal any of that?
Yeah, if we get a new vacuum sealer.
Oh, that's right, because I can't put them in the freezer yet today. We're going to let them rest
No.
for a couple days. That's right. So I'm just going to wash them and put them back then, I guess.
Yeah, so we're going to wash them, clean this up, put them back. Then we'll let them rest in the cooler for a couple days. And then we'll package them for freezing.
Yep. With the carcasses, we'll also be making the stock. So those are already in the freezer, the 9
Yeah.
carcasses from that.
Yeah, that'll be a fun day. It's all rinsed, washed, separated out. We did separate the legs from the thighs. And then our wings. That's the thigh bones. I made them boneless thighs. So we'll use that for the stock pot too. Our 2 whole chickens. And this is our breasts and tenderloins. So we got quite a bit of meat out of those.
We did. We got a lot of meat out of them. A lot of meals.
Now that we've got everything bagged up, stored in the freezer, we kind of got some weights of how much everything weighed. The 2 birds that we kept whole, one was 6 pounds 10 ounces, the other was 6 pounds and 9 ounces.
Which our last ones we did were 10 pounds.
10 and yeah, they were heavy, big birds.
We also let them go 4 weeks longer.
Probably at least.
Yeah.
They went quite a bit. They might have been almost twice as long. I don't remember on those.
Yeah, I was just kind of shocked at the 6 pounds when our last ones were 10.
Yeah.
But then you reminded me of the time, so.
Yeah. We got 14 pounds of boneless chicken breasts. Mm-hmm. And we looked at our local Walmart where we get our food, where we buy our groceries, and it was almost $5 a pound. Mm-hmm. So right there's $60 worth of food, mm-hmm. or of meat that and that's what we buy. We buy a lot of boneless, skinless chicken breasts. We got 2 pounds 12 ounces of those tenderloins, 4 pounds 10 ounces of wings, boneless thighs. We ended up with, did you package those in 2 different?
Yes.
Okay. 3 pounds 1 ounce for 1 bag and 2 pounds 9 ounces for the other. So 6 pounds total of boneless thighs.
Yeah, I figured for a meal, 2 pounds of chicken meat was going to be enough, especially since we plan on just using that for the chicken tacos.
Yeah. Yep. And then the drumsticks, we got 3 pounds 11 ounces and 3 pounds 14 ounces. So almost 8 pounds of drumsticks. Mm-hmm. So it was a total of 46 and a half pounds of meat, mm-hmm. between all of it.
Yeah.
So even at, everything ranges, like I say, boneless chicken breasts are $5, drumsticks are 2 mm-hmm. a pound. But, so that was
$200 worth of meat?
$200 worth of meat or so.
For 8 weeks worth of work?
Yeah, 8 weeks of feeding them. Our meat chickens got to free range and live with the regular chickens.
Yep.
We kept them in the brooder probably till 4 weeks, 4 weeks.
That we felt that they were big enough that they wouldn't get trampled on or...
Yeah, and they grow so fast that they were out pretty quick.
Yeah.
Because we have another set, we have 9 chicks in there now that are probably 6 or 7 weeks old.
And they're still pretty tiny.
Yeah, they won't be out for another 3-4 weeks.
Yeah.
The only problem with that, with free range and letting them be with our other chickens, is we can't price out how much we spent on feed for these chickens.
Yeah.
So we don't really know what it cost us to raise them.
Yeah.
I would be kind of interested to know that, but I'm happy with letting them free range. Mm-hmm. They do actually move around quite a bit and explore the property and stuff like that. I mean, they not like the guineas that are, they get clear to the edge of the property. But I feel like we gave them a pretty good life for the 9 weeks that they were here.
Yeah, they got out on grass and everything else.
Did we keep the first batch separate?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, they were in that thing the whole time. Remember?
They were in the brooder the whole time, weren't they?
Mm-hmm.
But we also only had 3.
No, we didn't. We had 5.
No, because two of them got eaten right away.
Oh, that's right. PJ ate 2 of them right away.
Yeah, we had a cat that ate 2 of our meat birds when they were itty bitty chicks.
The biggest thing with ours is it isn't so much of like how much it's costing us. It just wanted to be aware of where the food comes from and and how we're doing.
Yeah.
That's the food's good. I mean, like our chicken breasts are really good.
Yeah. I do think that like that turkey we had last year that we butchered, that was the best turkey I've ever had in my life. Mm-hmm. And that's the thing. It's gonna cost more to raise your own food.
Yeah, and I'm being respectful of the animals. So.
Yeah, we just canned our chicken broth yesterday and got like 17 jars.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, so So we use the whole animal. But that's what we ended up meat-wise from 9 birds after 9 weeks. I figured people would want to know how much meat we actually got off our birds after that amount of time of raising them. I would say 10 birds is the most we'll probably do at a time.
Yeah.
So we're about 4.5 out. We start 11, 12, 1, 2, 3.5 hours.
Yeah, because the more birds you have, it doesn't go quicker. It's just...
I mean, a little bit. I mean, it's not like 20 birds probably wouldn't take us twice as long.
Yeah.
But I don't think I want to do... It's about as much as I want to do at a time.
Yeah.
I
don't want it to be a miserable experience and then us never want to do it again.
Yeah, so I'd say 10 is our max. Unless we start, if the boys start helping us or Jalen starts helping us or something.
Yep.
But this was pretty successful.
Yeah. Now we're going to let them sit in the cooler for 2 days to age, or whatever they call it.
Yeah.
And then we will put them in the freezer.
So we're getting better at this. We're providing a lot more of our own food.
Yes.
So I guess it's another step in the right direction for the little farm.
Yep.
Hope you enjoyed this, and thanks for watching.
Till next time.